This is a broken toy that I found. If you don't know what it is, this is Wally from a popular cartoon movie. It was amazing. And we're back to the toy. Now, basically, this toy runs on tracks. Now, if I replace those tracks, it is pointless because I don't have the remote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a toy that operates like a tank. The only difference is this toy has wheels instead of tracks. The other problem with the new toy that I'm going to use is I don't have the remote for this toy as well. So I'm going to transfer electronics to this toy so I can get it working again. Then once I get this toy working, then I'm going to take the Wally and merge the two together. But the only catch is the Wally toy and this new toy, both of them are going to operate from the same battery, which is very good because the Wally toy actually has a movement sensor. So when you move the tracks, it activates like this track noise, like it makes like it's move like a track noise, like like a tank noise. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the sensor wires from that Wally toy, and then I'm going to tap it onto the motor, right? So because they share the same battery, it means that when I activate the motor for the toy, it is going to send the signal to the Wally toy, and then the Wally toy is going to react to the movement, meaning that every time I activate the motor, it's going to activate the toy. It will make it look like both of them are being like it would look like natural. You see, basically it how do I say it will make it look like when I use the remote, it will make it look like the Wally toy is reacting to the remote, but it's not actually reacting to the remote, it's reacting to the signal. Anyway, well, if I keep on talking, we would stay here for the next hour on that topic. So all I have to do is just rewire it, add that one wire to the Wally toy, and then also add the Wally battery wires to the toy as well, because they're using the same battery. I'm going to 3D print new parts to join these two things together. I have the Wally merger and I have the Wally new backpack that's going to hold the battery. So now the Wally merger is just going to merge the top Wally to the bottom body. Very simple. And then I'm just going to use hot glue to hold the two together. What I decided to do is I decided to keep this toy very professional. I tried my best to try not to make any mistakes, just make it look neat. Now basically, as you can see, it's not perfect, but if I really wanted to make it perfect, I could 3D print like cover pieces to make it look like super original, cover the wheels and everything, just to give it the illusion that it still has tracks. But I think based on the movie, I think you don't have to make it look professional. Basically, I never even cleaned the toy. I kept it as is. It looks amazing. The white wire is actually that signal wire I was talking about. The other two wires are the battery wires. Right now, I'm demonstrating a big problem. The Wally toy cannot turn because the Wally toy is so heavy. These soft tires have so much grip that it just can't turn. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to print sleeves for the tire. These sleeves are going to eliminate the grip, allowing the Wally toy to drift on the ground. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.